Oh, wait a minute. I'm already sitting in the thinking chair. How could that... How... I wasn't even sitting in the thinking chair when I found the third clue. Okay, anyways, time to think. Now that we're in our thinking chair, let's... I just said it. Think! You will help me, right? You will? Great! So, we're trying to figure out how we should get rid of Blue's hiccups. Their clues are a flag, the color purple, and a letter. So how should we get rid of Blue's hiccups with the flag, the color purple, and the letter? Well, maybe maybe it can, maybe it has a flag, yeah, and maybe it's the color purple. Oh, and maybe we put letters in there. But who could bet? How should we get rid of her hiccups? By mailbox. That's it. Because mailbox has a flag. He's the color purple, and he puts letters, and he gives us letters. We just figured out Blue's clues. 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 Cause we're really smart. Come on, Blue. Let's go see Mailbox, and then he can scare your hiccups away. Come on.